All right. 11.5, the volume of pyramids and cones. We already have this information. We've already been doing this, but let's go over it again. The volume of a pyramid is 1/3 the volume of a rectangular prism. So it is 1/3 area of the base times the height of your pyramid. Volume of a cone is the same. Area of the base, which is a circle, times the height of the cone. We're going to do a couple example problems here. We have we write the formula down. We want to find the volume. The area of the base is 10 squared, or 100. And the height is 12. That is all we do here. 1/3 times 100 times 12. Does 3 go evenly into 100?
No.
Oh. But does 3 go evenly into 12?
Yes.
Yeah, what's 1/3 of 12?
4.
4. So 4 times 100 is 400 meters cubed. That is our volume. Love volume compared to surface area. So much simpler, so much more straightforward. What we're doing is multiplying those items together. Any questions about volume of a pyramid? Don't forget the 1/3. If you don't include the 1/3, it's going to be a rectangular prism, and the answer is going to be 3 times bigger than the real answer. Yeah?
Is 11.5 on the quiz?
This is bonus. This is money. All right, one more time. One more time. This is a bonus. This is just for fun. 1/3 area of the base, which is 6 squared, times the height, which is 8. 1/3 of 36 is 12. And then 12 times 8 is 96. That's bonus. This one's free. It's not even on your paper. So volume of a pyramid, super simple. Area of the base times the height, and then cut it down into 1/3. All right, cone. Cone's the same thing. Volume of a cone is 1/3 the area of the base times the height. I am substituting out big B with pi r squared because the circle, area of the circle is pi r squared. So in this case, I know r is 5, but I don't know h. Oh no. But we just went over this problem, not in the video, but in class. We know that A is 5, don't know h, but I know that the slant height is 13. So I'm going to have to Pythagorean theorem. 5 squared plus h squared equals 13 squared. By the way, this is one of our special triples. If you pull out your little note sheet from chapter 8, this is one of the triples we wrote down. The answer is 12. But anyway, I don't expect you to have that memorized. So we've got 25 plus h squared equals 169. Subtract 25 from both sides. H squared equals 144. So h has to be the square root of 144. Have to be comfortable using Pythagorean theorem to find the missing values, because they're going to ask you to do this a lot. So our h is going to be 12. All right. I'm going to go ahead, if you guys give me permission, I'm going to go ahead and take 1/3 of 12. You guys okay with that? Just going to the associative property of multiplication says I can multiply any grouping, any order I want, because it doesn't matter with multiplication. So 1/3 of 12 is 4. 5 squared is 25, and then I got a pi that is hanging off. Because your Chapter 11 quiz is making you leave stuff in terms of pi, I'm going to leave this one in terms of pi. 4/4 is $1, yeah. And then it's 100 pi meters cubed. Okay, got this. Feel okay? Anything else on the cone zone? Oh, you want a bonus cone?
Yes.
Bonus cone! 1/3 pi r squared times the height. 1/3 of 15 is 5. 8 squared is 64. Not sure why I wrote 2. And there's a pi. 5 times 60 is 300. And then 5 times 4 is 20, so that's 320. Bless you. And that would be inches cubed. That's it. Don't make it harder, you guys. Use the formula, plug it in, you got this. Homework problems, I'll leave them up there, but okay, and then 11/6 when we meet again.